Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock an image in Notability. Now how we can now you can see it's locked. So let's go. I will select this tool here at the top boxed, and now if I press to the image I can move it freely. So if I deselect something else I can't move it. Now if I select the mark tool, as you can see, I can draw over the image. Let me just like that. Now if your image moves every time you type near it, tap the image with the selection tool, which I showed you. Now tap the three dots or the image icon in the pop-up menu and then select text uh, format. Now you can select here uh, fit to the page, flip horizontal, bring to front, send to back, convert to ink. Okay, that one was not great idea. So if you select here send to back, for example, behind the text, this will allow you to place the image as a static background element that text flows over rather than pushes around. Now, if you want the image to become a permanent part of the page so it can't be moved even with the lasso tool, place your image and any annotation you want on it. Then export the page as PDF and import back as PDF into Notability as a new note or a new page, and the image is now part of the paper and cannot be selected or moved by the app's editing tool. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next